What's your name?
Nick.
Nick, where are you from?
Venezuela.
Venezuela. Oh wow. So what brings you to Niagara Falls? Why are you here?
Baltimore.
Matimo. What's your name, sir? Romeo. Oh, that's a beautiful name. So what brings you to Niagara Falls?
Just traveling with the family.
Oh, he traveled with his family. That's so beautiful. Is it your first time here?
Yeah, it's the first time here. Yeah.
Wow. What do you like about Niagara Falls?
It's beautiful.
Beautiful,
The
yeah.
experience is pretty fun.
The experience is fun, yeah. Yeah. So right now we are in a boat. This boat actually takes 600 people at a time. So if you look around, you see a lot of people in the boat. They all came here for tourism. It's so beautiful. If you could change the name Niagara Falls to any other name, what name would you give?
Oh, wow.
Give another name to Niagara Falls. What name will you give? The Maple Falls. Wow, that's so beautiful. Are you on social media? Do you want to put your handle out there? YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, put your name out there so that my followers can follow you.
You can follow me at Ronbird21.
Romeo21, please make sure that you follow him, okay? Alright, nice to meet you, bro. Hello, sir.
Hey. Hello.
What's your name?
Engage.
Invidi. Okay, and then? Anshul. Where are you from?
I'm from India.
India. So what brings you to Niagara Falls? What brings you to Niagara Falls?
It's a beautiful place.
It's a beautiful place.
Yeah.
Wow.
And world's widest waterfall.
Wow. If you could change the name Niagara Falls to any other name, what name would it be?
I think I'm going to start thinking about it.
Any name. Change the name Niagara Falls. What name will you give it?
Action Falls.
Action Falls. What about you?
Ringing Falls.
Ringing Falls. Wow. Are you on social media?
Yeah.
Which social media platform are you on? Facebook, YouTube?
Facebook.
Okay. You want to give the name of your handle so that my followers can follow you?
Sure, I'll give it.
Yeah. What's the name? Bangladesh. Please make sure that you follow them. Hello, sir. What's your name, sir?
My name is Shri.
She. Where are you from?
I live in New York City.
Oh, you are in New York City, but you live in India. Is it your first time here? Wow. What do you like about the Niagara Falls? Beautiful. If you could change the name Niagara Falls to any other name, what name would you give? It's perfect. I like it. Thank you, sir. Are you on social media? Oh, okay. All right. Follow me. Sure. My social media handle is tillystravels. YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, everywhere. Okay. Yeah. Hello, ma.
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Tichan.
Tichan. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Vietnam. So what brings you to Niagara Falls?
The first today I'm from Niagara Falls. Yeah. Where are you from?
I'm from Ghana.
Ghana.
Yeah.
Đến hỏi cô lên mấy đó.
Oh, how many times have I been here? It's my first time. I'm interviewing her, but she's ending up interviewing me. So is it your first time here?
Yeah.
What do you like about Niagara Falls?
Cái này là mấy cái gì?
What do you like?
I like.
She likes the view.
You like the view. Great. So if you could change the name Niagara Falls to any other name, what name would you do? If you could change the name Niagara Falls to any other name, what name would it be?
Chẳng biết tên gì đấy nhưng mà mẹ
What name would it be? What name would you give to Niagara Falls if you could change the name?
Mẹ sẽ đổi cho mình tên gì đó?
All boy.
Con sẽ đặt
like something really
Something very beautiful, isn't it? Very great. Nice meeting you. Are you going to come back here again? You like what you see?
Yes.
All right. Nice meeting you.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So what do you like about Niagara Falls so far? What do you like? Okay, you don't speak English, right? That boat that's going, these people are from Canada. They came to the Niagara Falls from Canada. You see? Another one is coming. So these people are from Canada. And then when you look this way, right here, they are from the United States. So blue for United States of America. And then we have the red for Canada. That's the only difference. So I can actually cross over right now to the other side and I'll be in Canada. So the blues are from the United States and then the reds are from Canada. That's how simple it is. Okay guys, so now you see the red right there and the blue is coming. The blue is United States and red is Canada. So you just cross over to the other side and you add it. This is the outside view from the souvenir. You come out from the souvenir area. This is the outside view. It's really beautiful. Really, really beautiful.